Sukela. Kuthiwa kunosonkondlo odumile wasethema ohaye inkondlo zesizulu. Insizwa zazidlana imlala zequmlende zigijimisa inkekhe. Bake bazama ukumthingatha befuna ukumthuma ngoba bethi bafuna ukwazi ukuthi sebenzisa liphi ikhamba noma umuthi wokubhala ingqondo. Bathi befinyelela kuyena bathola ukuthi le nto isegazini kuyayivile inyelela lana. Leli ibhubesi elibhoda umlilo ongenantethelelo. Ngiyisosha sana mongakangivumi noma abangakangivumi manje bengivuma kudala. Ngoba mina ngiyinzalo kamncedisi ebelethe umlindile. Cos yaphela ingane wami mayiselenze. Iqhelele manje.
How is it? Is it fine?
Ithi ngqale eqaleni ngithe ithi ngqale eqaleni angisawufuna umendo bathe mfana ompofu akuyithinte nale ndaba yomjolo ngaphefumulela phansi ngabuke emaceleni ngathi lana kunina kunezidumbu ezihamba ngeenyawo abanye benu bahamba phezulu komhlaba kodwa umhlabathi okwamhlaba usobagwinye nempilo bengayiphilanga abanye bagqitshwe emhlabathini ubufebe bengabulaphanga omunye uthi lamagama engiwasebenzisa yaqinile linjalo ke neqiniso liyamqinisa umuntu yeka ngoba babalezi ingane basafuna amalobolo sebabhizinisa ngathi ngoba imali ekumele iphume ebhangi labakhongi yinani lokuthi amasoka wakhe wonke asedlule kona asemphule kangakanani enhliziyo kanti thina sifelani ngoba bekumele sicathulisane sincingisane buka impilo manje ihambisana nesikhathi zicathula kanye kanye ziqhubekela phambili kepha ngibona intsha yamanje unicathulo wengane egaqayo imifundo khaba iphindele emuva bona amabesho bathi badlubusha babo basebenzisa amagama athi isikhathi samanje asifane nesakudala njengehawu uma befuna ukuvala izici zabo ngathi ngicela ukubuyela phansi wonke umuntu wakhuza umhlola wathi hayibo awukwazi ukuhlala phansi thina ushiye nembuzo ngathi khululekani impendulo nizozithola ngokuya kwesikhathi ngoba nina nisazowaphenqa amakhasi einkondlo ezibhalelwe incwadi ngizozibhala ngeqa amagula ngibese nginahela zona zidudulo wenu unembeza amaxhegu namaxhegukazi athi emendweni kuyabekezelwa kube benazi ukuthi omalokazana benu bacaca nenkece hayi nathi kube niyashintsha lesisho senu phela uma singenawo amaphepha nembala nezilwane asiyiluthi ingane enzeni ngixoleleni angisawufuna umendo kawuthunyelwa gondane lokho ngiyakwazi okungisabisa ukuthatha isihlilo sendoda endala exoxa indaba ngokukhihlisa isikanandi isikhundleni sekhwela wathi umlimelo omkhulu awudlelwa zele azange ngiqonde lokho kodwa inkulumo yakhe ibithi ugwaye usuka ntendeni uhlala entendeni nale ndaba yolimi ngathi buyibe impica abadala iyangiphica kodwa yithi ngihlala ethembeni okungapheli iyahlola ngoba nawo umhlolo naye incazelo mina ngakhula ngokuthi uchubo obudlo phamba ngabili yebo isifumbo siganisela umakhelwane kodwa ngizosikhona yini ngixabane lesisendlini impela impica abadala engibambe ekhimilili nihlulwa impatho bese ngithi ngiqhashwa kaze ngizokwazi ukuwaphatha wona lamathuba emisebenzi indoda ifele emaqaleni kungcono uphile eqinisweni ungafeli emanyaleni sengingamane ningibize ngempohlo ebibheke emaceleni ngixoleleni angisawufuna umendo bathe usisa umhlaba ngamagama ngabe sengiyalifika ubizo lwami umtho umfana wompofu ngombaba mfana Baby girl, quit acting like you so shy because I can't handle the sweet melodies that fall from my lips every time we kiss. Connect with me. I said, connect with me. From the very first instant I saw you, I knew I had to be intent with what I do. My reasons for loving you are, I don't know why, because my love for you is like time. It's constant and independent. The only thing it does is fly. I don't really have tricks up my sleeves, but I'm good with words. They even call my talent the magic of words. My flow makes it sound as if I'm singing hymns of lovebirds. Love is beautiful. Allow me to put respect between your skirts. Forgive me for being out of control and making you squirt. Promise to show you how love's supposed to be. And though it all, let you be free. As I hold your leg, then you go, don't stop. It turns me on as you beg. I don't opt for perfection. Trust me, if we could let things happen on their own, our love would be evident to each other like natural selection. I can tell by how you dwell that a woman doesn't need car keys to be driven. You're beautiful, that fact is a given. The reason you stand out in a room is your facial art, that's rare. That's what makes all the other guys turn and stay. If my feelings had feet, I'd let them rest in a chair, so I could prepare to be a perfect match. I'm talking about being a perfect pair. Then I'd hold your hand as we walk side by side up the love stair. You see, saying together is easy and impeccable. However, when you pronounce it using hyphens, you realize to get her is mission impossible. Although in life all that happens, I'm not giving up since throwing the towel is not part of my DNA. As the word impossible says, I'm possible. Believe me, I always want to do it with you. Thing is, I just don't find time to connect with you and talk. Question is, will you open your heart for me as I knock? If I had dinner prepared with a knife and fork, would the night end with us having to lip lock? I just need to be with you. Is it wrong to have a conversation with the person you adore and make it intimate? I'm not saying I'm the one or a soulmate. Please lock me in your arms, cuff me up in cuddles and make me a love inmate. This is South Africa to the world. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Toe, the freestyle. Buffet to the guy.